So with a lot going on with streaming apps, not being able to access the content you want, not being able to get what you want on your streaming device, especially your Fire Stick, I'm going to show you how you can access more content. It could be within the apps you've already got, or it could be some which are blocked to you. I'm going to show you what the best we can do and the best we can get at it. First of all though, before we get started, quick word, thankfully for you guys, NordVPN are sponsoring this video, which is going to bring you a great deal which is going to help you. So NordVPN are giving us an exclusive deal. Save big and get 4 months extra. This deal is coming along, but not just that, it's exclusive for you guys to get an extra 4 months. You also get an Amazon gift card if you do sign up. Okay, so you've got a few different packages. You've got the basic, the plus, and the ultimate. And you get different gift cards with each one, but I'm going to show you it in action and show you how it can open up even more content for you. So the good thing about NordVPN is it has a lot of servers, thousands of servers, and it's a big one so you can choose multiple different servers when you need them if you're getting blocked by other servers. But what we're going to do, first of all, let me just show you how it works with official apps. So for example, if you're in your Netflix, I know many of you probably use Netflix because a lot of you get it free with different packages, but when you're in here, most of you know me, I'm in the UK. I'm UK based, we do a lot of these videos, but as I scroll down my Netflix, as you do, what you'll get to is maybe a top 10 or something like that, and it'll show you what I'm talking about. Here we go, top 10 films today in the USA. I'm not in the USA, I'm in the UK, so I'm getting different content because I've changed my VPN connection to USA. It's not just Netflix this works with, there's different, obviously, versions of each application around the world. Things like Tubi TV, they also have Plex, another one. So if you log into Plex and you're on a different server, you get a lot of different content. Here in the UK, Plex is pretty rubbish. You don't get a lot of content. In America, they get a lot of content in there. And there's a lot more movies, a lot more TV shows, and a lot more content. This can work the other way. The biggest advantage of this is for if you're traveling, if you're on holiday. I know a lot of people might think, oh, I don't watch TV on holiday, I'm on holiday. But you might be winding down, you might have family, kids. You might just want to sit down and watch your favourite programme. For example, I know a lot of people like to try and watch BBC iPlayer, ITVX when they're outside the country. There's a lot of people from the UK who move abroad but still want to be able to watch their local TV channels. So you would get your NordVPN, which is available from the App Store. You would connect to the country you would like. For example, we're going to swap to United Kingdom now. We are now connected. So what happens then is I can use my UK ones with no problem. BBC iPlayer. That will load in for us. And then you'll be able to use it as you normally would, as if you were in the UK. So I can log into my account. You could all have your own accounts. Making a BBC account, for example, is very simple. And then you just click watch live on whatever you're doing. Watch from start, watch live. I won't show the content because it will get flagged up on YouTube. But just for example, to show you the VPN works.
Shooting.
And there we have it. I'll just back out of that quickly for you. And that's with a VPN running, okay? So it's not blocked. You might need to install the apps from a different location. You'll be able to install those apps if you're after them from Firesend. So for example, if you go to Firesend, so magnifying glass, search Firesend. There we go, install Firesend. You can install Firesend, no problem, from the App Store. And within the room, if you go into room DOC, in room DOC, me, you will find, I will put things like BBC iPlayer, ITVX, My5, all those sort of ones. And if anyone needs any extra apps put in there, do feel free to comment underneath in the description. So the good thing about your VPN, not just on your device, you've obviously got your privacy. Privacy is huge. Privacy is the main reason for a VPN. I use privacy. You might be on holiday, you can't use your you can't use the internet to stream something. That's because they are restricting what you're allowed to do on your device. If you fire up that VPN on that holiday hotel Wi-Fi, you'll be able to do what you want because they won't see what you are doing. So it's very worth having that. It's good for your privacy, for your data. But accessing geo-locked content is where it really plays a part in streaming. People say, oh, I've never used a VPN, I don't need one. And that's fine. If you're not worried about your privacy and your safety, that's fine. But the world of content it can open is unreal. You go into Tubi TV, for example. Again, tons of content, and it's different for different locations. So you swap your VPN location. If you're doing it on things like Netflix, don't do it too often because they will get, I think, how did he just travel from UK to America, to Singapore, to Australia, you know, la-da-da, all around the world. So you don't do it ping all the time, but, you know, give yourself the best chance of getting the best content. There's apps being blocked left, right, and centre at the moment for God knows what purposes and different licensing arguments with different companies. That's not our issue. But what you want to do is give yourself the best tools to get the best content. So where you might not have something in a certain country or you can't access it, use a VPN, NordVPN, with their great offer for you for this video. So to get NordVPN magnifying glass, search NordVPN, N-O-R-D, there we go. Install it, click it, open it, log in, because you're going to get your account from the link that I will put underneath. The link underneath, that link is not affiliated, so you don't have to use that link, but if you want to, that does help you get the better deal, okay? So when you are here, this is where you can get the different deals. There's a basic, a plus, an ultimate. As you can see, they're not a lot, and these are the great deals they're offering to my viewers. Obviously, you guys, there's a lot of streamers out there, a lot of people who might be after a VPN, so that's why they can bring us the best offer, and I'm open to giving a good offer to you guys. So this is a great offer which is linked to this video, and if you want to try it out, do check the link underneath. Like I say, that link isn't affiliated. It makes no difference to me if you click that link or you don't go through that link, but it will make a difference to you whether you get some of these offers for the 4 months free plus the gift card. Brilliant. So I've been Dr. Squiffy. Thank you all for watching. Enjoy the VPN. Any issues with trying to access different content, feel free to drop me a comment and I'll try and get back to you, but we are getting hundreds of comments across different socials at the minute, and there's only me managing them, so I'll do my best. Until then, keep an eye on the channel, keep up to date with your streaming, and I'll see you soon.